Hello everyone. If you're seeing the message, the recipient's account is unable to accept payments on Cash App, don't worry. This is a fairly common issue, and it's usually something that can be resolved pretty quickly. In most cases, the problem is on the recipient's side. So, if you're trying to send someone money and this message pops up, you can simply share this video with them to help them fix it. Let's go through the steps the recipient should follow to troubleshoot the issue. First, the recipient needs to open the Cash App on their phone. Once the app is open, they should tap on their profile icon, which is usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. From the profile page, they need to scroll down and look for an option called Privacy and Security. This is where they'll find key settings that control who can interact with their Cash App account. There are two specific settings here that are very important. The first setting is called Incoming Requests, or in some versions, Allow others to request money from me. This option needs to be turned on. If it's turned off, then people might not be able to send them money, even if everything else looks fine. So make sure this is enabled. The second setting to check is Allow others to find me. This setting allows other users to find the recipient's Cash App profile using their cash tag, phone number, or email. If this is turned off, it could prevent someone from sending them money because the system can't confirm or locate the right account. Again, this should be enabled. Once both of these settings are turned on, the recipient should try receiving a payment again. In many cases, this solves the problem right away. However, if both of these settings are already enabled and the issue still continues, then it's possible that the problem is something deeper, like a restriction placed on the account, a verification issue, or a technical glitch. At that point, the best course of action is to contact Cash App support. The recipient can do this directly from the app by going to the support section. Once there, they should scroll to the bottom and tap on Chat to speak with a support agent. When they reach out, they should clearly describe what's happening, mention the exact error message. The recipient's account is unable to accept payments, and include any steps they've already tried. This helps support diagnose the issue faster and provide the right solution. That's it. By following these steps, the recipient should be able to resolve the issue and start receiving payments again on Cash App. Thanks for watching.